Let's take a look at some of these questions. One of the questions that was asked about is number 8 on your gradient assignment. Right, so you're given these points. It does give you a graph, kind of, but it gives you point A, -4, 1, and then point B, 6, 6. And you're supposed to imagine these 2 points. Let's say this is A and this is B. And you're supposed to find the gradient of this line. Let's say this is A, this is B. It wants you to find the gradient, how steep this line is. Okay, well, this is where you need to use that m equals, right? M is gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, this question is asking you to solve it using this method. So if we take A, let's call A our first point. So point number 1 is A. So that means that this would be x1, and this would be y1, right? Because we have x and then y in our coordinates. And then if B is our second point, that means that this would be x2, and this would be y2. Okay, so we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So now we have all of our pieces here, and we can solve for what m is. So I'm just going to write this more neatly down here. So we have m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 was 6. y1 was 1. So we have 6 minus 1 on top. x2 is 6. And x1 was -4. Got to keep that negative with it. So I like to put parentheses around. So on top we're going to have 5. On the bottom, 6 minus 4, that's like saying 6 plus 4. So if we write it over here again, we've got 5 over 6 plus 4 is 10, which is 1 over 2. So we have m equals 1 over 2. And there is your solution.